Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable developer mode on your Roku device for testing custom channels or developing apps, follow these steps to access this hidden feature. Step 1. Press the home button on your Roku remote 3 times quickly, then press the up arrow twice, followed by the right arrow once, then the left arrow once. This secret sequence activates developer mode. Step 2. A developer settings screen will appear asking if you want to enable developer mode. Select Enable to proceed. Your Roku will prompt you to restart the device. Step 3. Allow your Roku to restart completely. This process may take a few minutes. Do not unplug the device during the restart, as this could cause issues with the installation. Step 4. After restart, you'll need to create a developer account. Open a web browser and go to my.roku.com, then click on Developer Dashboard to set up your developer profile. Step 5. Once your developer account is created, find your Roku's IP address by going to Settings Network About. Write down this IP address as you'll need it for development purposes. Step 6. Enter your Roku's IP address in a web browser address bar. This will open the Roku Developer Application Installer interface where you can upload and test custom channels. Step 7. The first time you access the installer, you'll need to set a username and password. This secures your development environment and prevents unauthorized access to your developer functions. Step 8. You can now upload custom channel packages, test applications, and develop content for Roku. Remember that developer mode is for testing only and has certain limitations on content access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.